Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have more beautiful, easy 3D embellishments for your Christmas cards. So let's get started. Brand new to my store are these Christmas letter embellishments. And look how cute these are. These are little letters totally stuffed with beautiful Christmas imagery. And they come from this brand new pack called Christmas Letters. And here you have them all in this vintage color and then stuffed to the brim. Now I took a few out so you can look at them. They are lightly glittered. This is glitter paint, so it won't come off. Beautiful poinsettias. Our cute little snowman that we know now. Couple of deer. Angels. Snowmen. So you see how cute they are. And I made this card. Now, really all I have here is a card blank that I created from one of the Hunky Dory card packs. If you know Hunky Dory, I have them in my shop. They always have some cardstock with their embellishment packs, and I don't always use them, so I had this one left over and I cut it to shape and then just folded it in half. It is white inside, and because it has all this foiling on here, we have now a beautiful card background, and all I did is I layered on this beautiful bird letter. Now those couple of shooting stars here, I did buy these in Germany, and these are embellishments that I saw there in the store and I got them. Now if you like these, let me know, because I can get these to my store. I'm not sure if that is something you would be interested in, so leave me a comment if you like these. They are just cardstock, beautifully cut, and they come in different varieties, so I just bought these shooting stars here. Yeah, and that's the card. There's really nothing else to it but the Be Merry, and you know now where this is from. I have these sticker sheets from P13 with all the different tiny or smaller, I should say, not tiny but smaller sentiments for winter. Quite a few. So this is what I have been using. There is another one that is called the sticker sentiments sheet, and you have more Christmas on here with Christmas blessings and a Christmas wish for you in different colors, joy to the world, while these are more wintry. You could use them for Christmas, and something is Christmas like Santa's list, but there's also get ready for winter and mug of cocoa and it's cold outside, that type of thing. So I have these in my store and I'll link them below. So this is my first card with the beautiful brand new Christmas letters, but there's more. Now we have Christmas wreaths, and these are just as beautiful as all the other easy 3D toppers. You see how they have the layers. Here you have these beautiful nature inspired wreath and then a couple of deer. The paper I used here for my background is from the Ciao Bella Northern Lights paper pack that I still had out. I introduced that paper back to you last week. Used that for my background. The card is this shimmery card blank I was also telling you about. I did bring this from Germany. I don't have it in my store yet. Let me know if you would be interested in having those. I can bring them over here. And then of course I added this beautiful wreath, and even the glitter is already on there, the glitter paint. Merry Christmas is from the P13 sticker sheets with the sentiments, and then I also added this little star here. But I love this embellishment obviously so much that I made a second card. I wasn't aware of that. I used this twice. But here is my second card with the very same embellishment. Love that kind of, you know, shabby chic country style wreath. Have a little bit of background paper. I believe this is from the Studio Light paper pack, the craft book. And added the borders, my glitter borders that you can find in my store, and made this like it is hanging. See how it's hanging? Then you have a little bit of I had a piece of glittered embossed border that I put up there, and then all the glittery stars from Michaels. And then down here, the season's greetings comes from the Hell's Couple Ditch sentiment sheets, and here they are, and here is the season's greetings. They look like they're made out of metal, but of course it is cardstock, and I have those in my store. I think they look really cute, and here I put them on the wreath. So let me show you the wreaths. They're called Christmas wreath, and here of course is my one with the deer. But there are all these different beautiful, beautiful wreaths. And I have the embellishments still out here, right? I just need to craft with them a little bit more. You probably will see a couple more cards because these are very pretty, and they're out now. Here I have made this card with the wreath with the candles in it. See, here it is, and it looks so much nicer than when you actually have it in reality in front of you. So glittered. I added a little bit of mirror cardstock behind it. The card blank again is from my stash that has a white inside. More stars, and again I added a little bow there like it's hanging from one of these stars. And this one here, Peace on Earth, is also a new sticker sheet, a do-day sticker sheet that I have in my shop now, and I will link it below. So there we have it, Peace on Earth, and these are my beautiful Christmas wreaths. And here is another card, and what I have used here is an embellishment from the pack called Stylish Winter World. And the Stylish Winter World has all these, let's see if this focuses. Okay, here we go. It's got all these cute little dolls, just little arrangements that you would possibly, here are those two that I have on my card, that you would have in your house to decorate for Christmas. And again, I love those. These are so very pretty and make beautiful toppers. So here is this one. Really not a lot. It looks like there's a lot going on, but really not difficult at all. A card blank, which you know now. This is this pack that I brought home. I used background paper from the Festive or Elegantly Festive Scrapberries paper pack. And this is a beautiful, the color family is unusual for Christmas, so it spoke to me. You have that very dark, I want to say purple, blue, black, really, really dark. And there are snowflakes, there are the deer. Here is the regular purple. Then there is a pink. And so you have snowflakes, deer, stripes. Right, these are single-sided, so you can make candy cane. You have ornaments, And yeah, again, so this beautiful seafoam green or winter green. Anyway, it's a 6x6 pack, and it's called Elegantly Festive by Scrapberries. And here is the snowflake paper in purple that I used. I cut out 2 of the snowflakes with my snowflake punch, and of course some glitter and holographic paper. Added one of the silver stars. Santa, please stop here from my stash. But the biggest part is, of course, the beautiful topper with those cute girls here in their knitted sweaters. I hope you will try out these easy 3D toppers. They are so easy to work with, and your cards will look beautiful. I hope you like the cards that I have shared with you today. If so, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment too, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. You can also catch me on social media. All the information is in the info box below. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.